Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of Rocket League using your iOS device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Here, I'm in the main homepage of Rocket League application. To log out of your account, go and tap on the gear icon at the top right and tap on Other Settings from the menu. Now, click on the Log Out button and you'll be able to log out of your Rocket League account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.